Assalamu alaikum. I am here with the review of munawar organic hair oil. Its ingredients are
coconut oil that is rich in antioxidants and has antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial properties. It promotes hair growth, prevents baldness and gray hair, remove dandruff, prevents hair loss, nourish and tones dry skin and treats scalp problems. The next ingredient is black seed oil that is used to relieve dandruff, restore luster to dry and damaged hair, trim frizz, and protect hair against styling damage. Third ingredient is castor oil that moisturizes hair, has antibacterial properties for scalp health, is rich in vitamin E, balances scalp pH level, boosts hair follicle health. Next ingredient is lavender essential oil. It promotes hair growth, prevents and adds amazing scent to your hair. Then comes vitamin E oil. It can improve scalp health. It conditions the scalp, imparts shine, increases hair strength, encourages hair growth, and prevents hair loss. But remember that the people suffering with sensitive scalp, thyroid issues, and undergoing chemotherapy should avoid this. और लास्ट इंग्रेडिएंट ब्लैक सीड ऑयल है. ब्लैक सीड ऑयल यानी कलवंजी मेंटेन्स स्कैल्प हेल्थ, stimulates hair regrowth, curbs hair fall, prevents damage and graying, conditions hair, and promotes blood circulation.
and the benefits are it reduces hair fall, combats dandruff, controls hair frizz, improves hair texture, increases hair growth and helps in new growth. Directions like how to use it. Gently massage munawar hair oil to your scalp and hair and leave for at least 2 to 3 hours. Can be kept overnight. For best results, use 2 to 3 times in a week. In case if the oil freezes in low temperature, warm in lukewarm water before applying. It is a bottle of 250 milliliter, 100% vegan, naturally derived and dermatologically tested. Cruelty free, made in Pakistan and tested by PCSIR. The packing, first of all, there is a packing of paper or board. Then there is a bottle. बॉटल जो है प्लास्टिक की है विद अ पंप ऑन इट. दैट इज इजी टू यूज, बट आजकल के टेम्परेचर में लाइक इट इज विंटर गोइंग ऑन, इट इज टोटली फ्रोजन. इसको यूज करने के लिए सबसे पहले तो इसको वार्म करना होगा. एक लिक्विड फॉर्म में आने के बाद देन इट नीड टू बी यूज. अगर हम इसको वार्म नहीं करेंगे तो फिर इसके स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स जो हैं इवन वार्म वाटर से वॉश करने के बाद भी बालों में रह जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट कम्स इट्स रिव्यू. डैंड्रफ को इसने कंट्रोल किया है, बालों की हेल्थ इंप्रूव हुई है, बट हेयर ग्रोथ भी इट इज सेम, बट हेयर फॉल को इसने कंट्रोल नहीं किया है. इवन आई हैव नोटिस मोर हेयर फॉल बाय यूजिंग दिस. It is just online available, not available in local shops, and its price is 2800. My honest review is in front of you. Now it's up to you. You want to use it or not. Thank you so much.
Please like and share the video.